thing here, which is I've discovered the problem I had the last time around where I wasn't able to SCP anything up to my Amazon machine. And it's because, surprise, surprise, I used the wrong Amazon machine. So if we come out here, make this a bit bigger so it's legible. What I did ahead of time already is I left things running here in my Go land. As you can see, let me see if I can resize this just to make it a bit more obvious. Here we are. So I left things running. I have my server running back here that is connected through ZD. I have my sub that is connected through ZD. And what I did is I SSH'd or SCP'd the examples out to an Amazon box. So you can see up here, this is my private IP address. If I curl to eth0.me, my favorite, what's my IP site, you can see this is that IP address. If I do the same thing here, curl eth0.me, you'll see I get a 67 IP address. Oh my goodness, don't attack me. Anyway, so now we know this is a whole entirely different environment. I downloaded Go because it didn't have Go installed, and I put Go in a very interesting place, which is right here in the repository. That was not on purpose, but it doesn't really matter. And you can see now I can run a NATS pub from anywhere in the world because of the zero trust overlay network. I also had to get diff. What's the file name in here called? What is this called? NATS pub. I also had to do one more small thing, which is replace the C:\temp with home /Ubuntu, because of course it's running on Linux, not on my local machine. All right, so if we go ahead and run this now, I'm going to send, this is a whole new message. I'll put it in quotes. Let's hope it works. I haven't actually tried that. Hey, look at that back here. This is a whole new message. So now we have, just to tie this loop off, if I were to shut down the server, or if I were to prevent ZD from having, or from this identity from being able to access the service, however I wanted to prevent this communication, I could, using my zero trust overlay network. Let's just send one more because I think this is so cool. Let me say, this is so cool. All right, presto. This is so cool. There we go. All right. I just wanted to follow up because that was where I wanted to end the video. Cheers, everybody.